Now, there are two important things we need to note when we use used to. Let's look at the first thing. Used to is always to talk about the past. There is no present tense or future form of this structure. If you want to talk about the present, use the present simple. Used to, as I said, is always to talk about the past. Okay, just remember that. Always in the past. The equivalent of the present is the present simple tense, which we will learn in the following lectures. So always use used to talk about something in the past. Just remember that. The next thing we need to note is something to do with the spelling of used to. So when using the negative, didn't used to, or the question, did you used to, notice that there is no D at the end of used to. Can you see? This is because the past tense is marked with didn't and did, so there is no need for the D in this case. So if you didn't notice the spelling, just go back and read the text on the screen so that you can see the spelling. So used to is generally spelled U-S-E-D to, T-O. So used, U-S-E-D, the E-D indicates the past tense. So when we use did in the sentence, there's no need for the D. So omit the D spelling when using did in a sentence. For example, a question, did you used to live in New York? Or a negative, I didn't used to live in New York. So that's just a small little thing that you can notice in the spelling. So make sure you look at the next lectures, the practice exercises. They're very important. Train your brain to master the structure and the pronunciation. See you in the next lecture.